Hi guys, welcome to the Magical Art with Ananya. So today we are going to learn how to draw a giraffe. So quickly grab your drawing copy and pencil and let's start drawing. We'll draw the giraffe with simple straight lines. So, do you know how the giraffe has got a long neck? Okay, if you don't know, no problem. Let me tell you a short story. So long ago, the giraffe had a short, cute neck and dreamed of tasting the leaves that sparkled high above. So the tall trees whispered, "Try again, little giraffe. I am waiting for you." So every morning, with that motivation, he used to stretch his neck with a happy smile, hoping to reach those shiny leaves. He stretched, he giggled, but still he didn't give up. He tried again and again. And one sunny day, his neck had grown long and lovely, just enough to touch those magical leaves. So that's how Giraffe became the tallest and the happiest leaf tester in the whole jungle. So, do you know which color do we color the giraffe? With yellow and the dots with brown color? Or if you don't have brown, you can color them orange also, but color it with bright colors and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the Magical Art with Ananya. See you in the next video.